What's up, guys? It's Geek Gaming here for another episode on the forest.
Hi guys.
We still haven't built the gazebo. We didn't do that. And Lewis wants to build another little house here. So I think it will look quite cool, so we're going to do that.
Yeah.
And he's up there with the little log sledge.
Timber!
Ah, it's going to fall on me! There. Yay, helping. Ah! Be careful. I'm going to chop down this tree because I can.
I'm gonna chop down this tree because I can.
Oh!
Who can chop it down the fastest?
Quick! Go! Done.
Hey, look. Done.
Oh. Is that full?
Huh?
Is the sledge full? Oh, now it is. Jeez, you're a lumberjack.
Oh, it's full.
Okay, we'll just carry these two down.
Dying.
Dying. Rock. I can't run.
I can. Whee!
Go get the log sledge.
No, I think there's a few logs that drop down here.
I'm gonna grab sticks for the gazebo.
I don't have enough. Oh, no, I have too many sticks.
Oh. Well, the gazebo could use some.
Yep, I'll put them to the gazebo. I can't run.
I'll take the log sledge then.
Yeah, I needed to carry these logs back.
Oh, okay. It looks so stupid.
Yeah.
But it's useful.
Hey. Oh, missed.
One more.
Yay!
Now these two can go in the gazebo.
I think we should go on a little adventure.
We can do that.
Yeah.
Right, let's feed up.
Yep. I'm gonna have
Get all
some.
stocked.
I'm gonna have some booze.
No, don't drink that.
I just did.
It lowers your energy.
Oh.
I'm gonna cook this bunny because for some reason I have it in my inventory.
Okay, and then I'm gonna eat it.
No. Oh, there's an arm on it.
Just the casual arm on the fire.
Mhm.
Come on, cook.
I'm food.
Ah! You got too close.
Ha, my rabbit.
Yeah.
You can have the arm.
Okay.
I'm drink some water from my little turtle
No.
shell.
I'm eating the arm.
Nice.
Right. What way should we go?
Wait. Should we maybe bring some what was that I saw up there?
What?
I'm not sure whether it was cannibals running or it was just birds.
Let's go see.
Okay.
Why is there a turtle shell here?
That's the water.
Oh.
Hold on, I want to... Apparently in your book there's like a crafting recipes. No, not that one.
Oh.
Yeah, crafting.
No, I found a Day Survive 3.
Simple
That's really
bomb.
What? Oh, the lightning.
A circuit board, alcohol, coins, a watch. To make a bomb.
Awesome.
Oh, a homemade axe. I think I want to make that. So
a simple bow. 5 feathers, 1 stick.
combine 1
Or
rock with
with
rope
stick.
and 1 stick. So rock, rope, stick.
I want to make a bow.
Rock, rope. I don't have any sticks.
I don't either. I thought
Hold
I
on, let me go grab a stick
did. Can we make a bow?
if you want. You'll also have to make arrows though.
Oh yeah.
Right.
We'll
Rope,
chop down
rock,
some little
stick.
trees.
Yeah.
Little trees die.
Ooh, I can.
Hello.
Oh. I'm crafting, leave me alone.
Okay, there's some sticks on the ground if you want it. I'm gonna put them in the gazebo. Oh, I can't run no more.
Don't know what I just did.
Sorry if my voice sounds a bit different, guys. I have a bit of a cold at the moment.
It's fine.
We're almost done on the gazebo. We just need quite a bit more logs.
Only 14.
Oh,
Says it down in the corner. Oh, we nearly have enough sticks. I'm going to collect the sticks.
okay.
Yeah. I have enough sticks.
Yay!
Yay! Ow!
Oh, there's a grave
Da,
here.
da, 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 da. I just need
This is
14.
my grave.
I can see that.
Right, I'm gonna chop down some trees.
We're going to go on an adventure, won't we?
Oh yeah, let's do that. What way should we go?
We'll go this way and straight into the forest.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Maybe we'll find something interesting.
Like cannibals. Wait, I tried jumping over a log. I'm behind you. And I'm hidden. I can't hide well.
I want to find some berries. Oh wait, apparently you can make a berry pouch. Hold on.
Ooh.
Berry pouch, 2 rabbit skin. Oh, Jesus.
Running away.
Let's follow her.
Oh, coming back.
I missed her.
Die.
Die, lady. I think she's dead.
Yeah.
She turned into a man
What?
when you picked her up. Watch. Oh my god. Magic lady. Okay, let's go. They're dead.
We'll take her with us and then put her somewhere. We'll hide her.
I feel like the smell will be quite hard to hide.
Oh yeah, I'll just leave that lady there. Bunny!
Where?
It ran away.
This looks like a nice path.
Yeah. Did the cannibals make it? Hey. Stop.
Ah!
Oh, I missed. Almost got you. Oh, we're going up here.
Up this hill. Bunny!
Bunny! Get it! I'm too fast!
There's a bunny behind you! I got it!
Got it!
Yes.
I have bunny fur.
So do I.
And its head.
Put the head down. Oh.
Okay. Oh. Go! Get the stuff. rope.
Yeah, I was going to say, get the rope. And there's usually maybe some like cans on the floor.
That isn't weird at all.
What?
A bloody table. That's just normal.
Right, what body parts can I scavenge from this? I want to take that leg. Leg. Got it.
I have a head.
Is it a skull or a head? Oh, Lewis! There's two of them!
Where?
Over there.
Let's kill them.
I saw you run over here, you two. Oh, I see you over there.
Oh, there's one. I'll get this one. Die! Hey! She's smacking me.
Where's your friend?
She dead? Yeah, she dead. Where's the other one?
Don't know, but let's keep adventuring.
Yep.
Bird!
Kill it!
I want
We
to.
need what is this? Hello? You friendly?
That's a boss guy.
Oh,
He's like a leader.
he has like a club thing. Can I have his club?
I got his tooth. He's still alive!
I want his club. Where's his club gone?
I'm sorry.
I was wondering why you're just holding him.
It's my best friend.
Oh, I wanted his club.
Aww.
I will take that body part though.
I've never... Lizard!
You can make some armor, I think. Lizard head.
Put the lizard head down.
I'm watching out for cannibals. If you need some food, there's some mushrooms here.
I made a berry pouch.
You want some mushrooms?
No thanks, I don't want to get high in the middle of a forest. Actually, I'll eat them anyway. Ow!
What was that?
They hurt me.
Oh, more body parts.
Note to self. Don't eat mushrooms in the middle of a forest that you don't know.
Yeah. Ooh. What's down there?
Rocks.
I don't know, but it looks pretty cool, the view from here.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Right, I'm following you.
Ah! I hear people!
Run!
It's loud!
Let's go on top of this rock, get some high ground.
They're behind
Ow!
you!
Oh!
There's another one!
That scared me.
Don't shuffle away from me, you will die!
I'm just gonna stay here, see if I have any meds on me. Please say I do, please say I do. Damn it, I don't!
Oh, I do, but I don't know how to drop it.
Oh, okay.
I always
Okay.
keep at least 2 of each thing on me.
Okay. Let's go! Let's go deeper into the forest. Let's go. Where'd you go? Oh, you're there.
Yeah.
I see you.
God,
I'm
it's
behind
windy.
you. Huh?
It's windy.
I'm not playing with sound, so I don't know.
That's why I keep hearing the people.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a little pond.
Yay!
Ah, nice and relaxing. There's some suitcases over here I want to check. Candy bar.
I'm gonna look in my book.
Yeah, I want to look at some crafting recipes. Oh, you can craft rope
Can you?
by using cloth. Didn't even know.
Oh. I'm making a little hunting cabin here.
Why?
Because it's nice.
At least we'll know where we've been.
Yeah. Nice little hunting cabin. Timber!
Oh, herbal medicine. Jeez, that was close. Health blend. To make a health blend, combine marigold and aloe.
I don't know what any of that is.
Marigold and aloe are plants.
Oh. Do you have any tree stuff? I think that is. Oh.
That was a rock.
Oh.
Remember, it tells you what you need in the corner.
Oh yeah. Keep on forgetting that. Die tree!
You're so mean.
Timber! Log, log. One more. Copy. Yay!
So this one can go free into the water. Go! Oh, it floats. That's pretty cool. Okay, it's night time. Shall we sleep? Let's sleep.
Yep.
'Cause I'm scared.
Same. I don't like nighttime in this. Oh.
Yay!
Daytime!
Nighttime. Nighttime. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat this chocolate bar I found.
Okay. I don't have any food.
Open these.
Okay.
Sometimes they have health in them. Sometimes they have chocolate bars in them.
Chocolate bar!
Yay!
Num. Yay! Is there any more?
No. Okay. Let's go.
Let's go! Let's go deeper into the forest.
Oh, we're at the forest.
Oh. Let's just keep on going.
Okay.
Because why not? Oh, what's that? It's the front of the plane!
Oh!
We
That's
found it!
That's part of our to-do list.
Oh, cool.
There should be stuff in there.
Let's have a look.
Oh, there's dead
Oh.
pilots.
What's that? Flare gun?
Flare gun?
Do you wanna pick up that tech stuff on the floor?
I can't, I'm full. I have too many circuit boards apparently.
Oh, same. That's pretty cool.
Now I think if we look on our to-do list, hold on.
Where's our to-do list?
Oh, apparently it's not on our to-do list. Never mind. I'm just stupid.
That's pretty cool. Is there anything else around it?
On our to-do list, it says, find Timmy, set up camp, and find the missing plane passengers.
Oh, okay. Let's try and find somebody.
Swim.
I'm drowning! There we go. A turtle!
These are big turtles. Oh! One of them just vanished.
What? Get this one.
There we go. Jeez, these guys are tough. Oh wait, he isn't even dead. Are you joking? There we go.
This one's dead.
Cool.
What are you doing? Right. Oh, what's this? I think. Let's go!
Yay!
I don't know where we're heading. We're just heading. Ooh.
Oh, look at the mountain.
Let's go snowboarding.
You can make snowshoes. Bunny!
I left the bunnies.
Too
Leave
fast.
them. Leave them for now.
For now.
I really want to make those snowshoes.
Hold on, stop. We'll see how to make them.
I think we should make a little snow cabin.
We can do that.
Yay!
5 sticks and 2 ropes
That's easy.
for snowshoes.
Awesome! Wait, how much rope do I have on me? I have 2 rope.
I have 4.
How do I make them?
2 rope, 4 sticks, I think it was. Oh, it's 5 sticks and 2 ropes.
Yep. Oh, I did it.
Should I make them?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you wearing them?
Yeah.
Oh, they're so cool!
I love them.
I'm wearing them too.
Do you know if they break?
I don't know.
Hopefully they don't. Whee! To the mountains we go!
Yay!
Oh, I thought a cannibal was chasing us, but no, it was just a bird.
Oh my god, the bird is on the cannibal side.
Wait up!
Okay, I'll walk.
Are we nearly there yet?
Berries!
We're nearly there yet?
Wait, I have a berry pouch.
Wait, do berries heal you?
I don't know.
Oh, they're just food.
Okay, I don't know how the berry pouch works. What is that? That's a pig. Kill it!
Where? Piggy!
Piggy.
Skin it. Take its
Yeah.
food. Oh look, there's the head. I've got the head.
You nasty.
Oh!
Oh.
Scared me. So I think the snow mountains are just up here. I saw some snow a minute ago.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, what's that? What's that red stuff?
Some sort of plant?
Let's see what it is. No! It disappeared.
My one was rolling down.
Snow! Yay!
Hooray!
I can't see much in the snow.
No.
It's all like foggy.
Looks pretty now.
Yeah.
We need to try and find a cave.
There's caves in this.
Yeah.
Are there bears in caves?
No, there's cannibals.
Oh.
But actually, I've just noticed the time. So we're a bit over. So we're going to have to end this episode off here. We'll carry on a little explorations in the next episode. Oh my god, that deer actually scared the crap out of me.
Look! There's a rabbit. There's a little rabbit.
We're going to have to end this episode off here. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And more, oh my god.
Rabbit!
This deer keeps popping out of nowhere. But we will see you guys in the next episode. Bye!
Bye guys.